There's a new stock market coming to Texas. It's called the Texas Stock Exchange, or TXSE for short. Big companies like BlackRock and Citadel Securities are supporting it. This is a big deal for Texas and for investing. TXSE will be a place for companies to list their stocks. Investors can buy and sell those stocks. This is how people make money in the stock market. Having TXSE in Texas will be great for the state's economy. It will also make the U.S. stock market more competitive. This is good for everyone. I'm excited to see how TXSE changes the way we invest. Stay tuned for more information as it becomes available. The TXSE is getting a lot of support. BlackRock and Citadel Securities are putting up a lot of money to make it happen. They see a lot of potential in a Texas-based stock exchange. The people in charge of the stock market in America, the SEC, have to give their permission for TXSE to open. The TXSE has filed all the paperwork and is waiting for the green light. The plan is for TXSE to open for business in 2026. That's not too far away. This is a big project, and it's important to do it right. That's why they are taking their time to make sure everything is perfect. I think it will be worth the wait. Having the TXSE in Texas will be a big boost for the state's economy. It will create jobs and bring in more money. Texas is already a big state for business. A lot of companies are moving to Texas. Now, with its own stock exchange, Texas will be even stronger. When the economy is strong, everyone benefits. I believe in the potential of TXSE to make Texas even more prosperous. Right now, there are a few big stock markets in America. The TXSE will be another choice for companies and investors. This is good for competition. When there is competition, everyone has to try harder. Companies will have more options for where to list their stocks. Investors will have more choices about where to put their money. The TXSE could bring new ideas to the stock market. This is how we innovate and make things better for everyone. I'm always a fan of shaking things up. Invest in Texas. The TXSE will make it easier for Texas companies to list their stocks publicly. This means that everyday investors like you and me can buy a piece of these companies. Texas has a lot of great companies. Now more of them can go public and grow even bigger. This creates more opportunities for investors. Investing in the stock market is risky, but it is also the best way to grow your money over time. The TXSE could open up exciting new investment possibilities. Rules are important. The stock market has a lot of rules. This is to protect investors and make sure everything is fair. The TXSE will have to follow all of these rules. The SEC will be watching closely to make sure the TXSE is doing everything right. This is important for maintaining trust in the market. I know that rules can sometimes seem complicated, but they are there for a reason. It's essential to have a level playing field for everyone. Why Texas is a good place for TXSE. Texas has a lot of things going for it. That's why I think the TXSE will be successful. First, Texas has a business-friendly environment. Companies like to do business in Texas. Second, Texas has a central location in the United States. This makes it easy for people to get to Texas. And third, Texas has a growing economy. All of these factors make Texas a prime location for a new stock exchange. What could go wrong? Starting a new stock exchange is not easy. There are always challenges. One challenge will be getting companies to list on the TXSE. Companies might be happy with the stock markets that already exist. Another challenge will be attracting investors. Investors might not be familiar with the TXSE or trust it right away. Starting something new is always risky, but I believe in the vision behind the TXSE. I think it has the potential to overcome these challenges. The future of TXSE. The TXSE is a bold idea. It has the potential to change the way we think about investing. I'm excited to see what the future holds for TXSE. Will it be successful? Only time will tell, but I'm optimistic. I'll be watching closely, and I'll be sure to keep you updated along the way.